Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this video about Euro-Aussie trade setup on a daily chart. This is how it is. It's a trend line, and you can see the fib drawn from here to here and a retracement back to 61% and hitting the teal. Last week the candles got stopped there, and today new candle, it went up and hit the TL and now staying there, right? So if it start dropping, like I said, that we'll be looking for short setups if trend line holds and price starts to drop. So if the price start to drop, I will definitely see short setup. If not, then I would not see short setup. So my plan is to take short if this TL hold and price start dropping. The decision or the setup is also like reconfirmed because of this Aussie dollar index. Aussie dollar index is also, see this trend line here, and then it was sitting here. I made this chart on the 17th, last Saturday, and if it is getting ready to bounce. Now another chart for 80-minute chart that I have a lead wave count. This is ABC, is like wave 2 ending here. Then this is wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2 at 61%. And if this weekly low also is there, and if we start bouncing, then Aussie gonna get strong, and pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, they will drop. Aussie USD, Aussie Yen will go up. So I'll be looking for short in pound Aussie and Euro Aussie. And the Euro Aussie chart, I just showed you that this is how it looks like, and a very good chance that it's gonna drop. But I'm not gonna short now. The thing is that I have to have my setup. For example, this is the long setup last week I had when Euro Aussie was going up, right? So this is the setup. This yellow line has to be above the black, and this indicator all the way down, price making higher low, and red candle turns into blue, couple of blue candles. I open the trade and I place my SL here. That's how the setup I need. To the downside means just the opposite. Let me show you the example like this one. This is GJ, but this is, kind of, this is the one that I need to see before I pull the trigger in Euro Aussie short. I need this short setup. That yellow line is below the black instead of above, right? For long, it must be above, but for short, must be below. So this is the system that I use to make entries, and you see my entries all over the place. So this is what I'm going to be showing you maybe tomorrow if I take the trade. If that happened, and if I take the trade, I'll show it to you. This is all planning, and then trade your plan. Plan your trade and trade your plan. That's how it is. All right. So again, this is the chart I'm watching, and there are a couple other charts, but I just make the video for only this pair, so that you can understand how I do trading here. All right, so this is just pay attention. You can see this is simple daily Euro USD daily chart, Euro Aussie daily chart. You can open on your computer and trade it the way, whatever the way you trade. If you're using a system, just if it's a profitable system, then use it. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.